When the winter season arrives in high school, you think about the big rivalry varsity basketball games, the intensity of wrestling matches, and the competitive spirit of swim meets. But have you ever heard of unified sports? Well, you're about to learn all about unified sports and discover the incredible journey of the Royal Oak Unified Basketball Team and their unforgettable 2024 season. Stay tuned for heartwarming stories, thrilling moments, and the true spirit of unity in sports.
1, 2, 3, Ravens Unite!
Unified Sports is a branch of Special Olympics that allows partners and athletes to come together, compete against other teams in sports just like any other team would do.
School environment of a game in front of fans and allow them to have a opportunity in court to play basketball just like any other student.
In the unified world, athletes are defined as people with an intellectual disability or physical disability of some kind, whereas a partner is somebody who is more typically developing. And so they come together, like I said, and work together, learn the game, play against other teams.
Not only does Royal Oak have great athletes and partners, they also have a furry friend.
This is Steve. He was a therapy dog who used to come to school here with me. The unified teams, all of them, have adopted him as their unofficial official mascot. So Steve likes to come to the games. The whole team really enjoys having him around and playing with him, and he's become a part of the unified family here at Royal Oak.
Unified soccer and unified basketball were first introduced at Royal Oak High School in 2019.
When Don Wachowski was your athletic director here at Royal Oak, I came here and spoke with all your people. We got it going here in the OAA, and then the OAA expanded, and now we've got it in the MAC conference, and we've got it in the SEC, we've got it in the Lakes Valley, we have it in Flint Metro, we have it as far as Traverse City. We went from having 5 schools in 2016 to having well over 150 schools across the state of Michigan.
Then in 2023, Royal Oak High School was named a Unified Champion School. A Unified Champion School is a school that aims to promote inclusion of students with intellectual disabilities through inclusive school-wide activities. This year, the Royal Oak Unified Basketball Team is off to a hot start. On January 26th, they have a big game against the Southfield Falcons. Coach Hutton is expecting a great practice before the big game.
Some stop, practice our defense a little more. There's some small things we notice, but when you do it in practice, you do practice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ravens Unite!
After a great practice, the Ravens are ready to go home and get some rest before the big game.
Yeah, I mean, it's without a doubt my favorite thing that I've ever been a part of.
It's changed my life. I mean, 34 years of being in educational athletics as a coach, for 20 years and as an athletic administrator, there has never been a program that has made a bigger difference in me personally, than what Unified Sports has done.
Knowing that my sister had a disability and never had an opportunity like this when we were in school, that has left a lasting impact on me as well. It's like knowing that we can create this environment for everyone to feel included, for everyone to feel a part of something bigger. That I just don't have words for how much that means to me, honestly.
It's a cold night in Royal Oak, Michigan, which calls for a great night for basketball in the warm Ravens nest. The Ravens are looking to keep up their great season with a win over the Falcons. We have made it to halftime. The Ravens have a lead over the Falcons 18-9. Now it's time to have the halftime dance party. After both teams shake it off, they are ready to get back onto the court for the second half. And the Royal Oak Ravens win over the Southfield Falcons with the final score of 33-23. After the great win, and as the season comes to a close, I wanted to talk to the seniors about their overall experience with Unified Sports.
My favorite aspect has been the community environment and just the team working together.
My favorite aspect of Unified is definitely the environment. I feel that because of the people who are involved and because of the essence of the program itself, people feel comfortable being themselves. And I think that's something very powerful, and it leads to genuine friendships.
My favorite aspect of the Unified team has been the family and friends that go beyond the sport of basketball and also extending not just on the court but through the other schools as well.
My favorite aspect of Unified basketball while playing is becoming a better partner. You know, like when you find the good pass or set your teammates up for success and see them celebrate and see how it makes them happy, it makes you feel good.
I mean, I've definitely learned just to be a more inclusive person and to encourage others to be more inclusive and pass that message along of the positivity that being inclusive can spread.
Well, the impact is, it's been a good part of my life, and I like all the teamwork and all the support from the team.
The impacts it has had on me is that it's been a really great honor being with you all as my Royal Oak family.
Sports are more than just a win or a loss. They're about the family and the memories and having fun.
Impact, well, it made me more of a better team player, and made me have more friends, more relationship with people that I didn't know.
Looking back, Unified has definitely been one of the most impactful parts of my high school career. I feel like Unified sports and the lessons that I've learned are things that I will carry with me through the rest of my life, like through my career, just through my everyday activities, just knowing how to interact with people who might be different than you. My biggest piece of advice would be to just go for it. It's very refreshing, being in a positive athletic environment.
I think it's one of the most welcoming places you can be, and that I've made some of my happiest memories there, and I would totally recommend it.
If I had to tell people who were a little bit nervous about joining one thing, it would be that you should not be nervous about this at all, because really, you should just treat everyone as you would treat your friends and as you would treat any other person. And as long as you're doing that and treating people with kindness and respect, then that's really the essence of Unified.
One word I would describe Unified Sports with is inclusion.
Inclusive.
Kind of fun.
Love.
Special.
Genuine.
Community.
Amazing.
Instead of loving people for their similarities or for shared history, I think it's really powerful that this program has taught me to love people for their differences and for the things that make them them.
Because there's a lot of kids who are like me, and in so many unique ways.
Because there's a lot of kind people, and it's super fun.
The sport itself and the people are just genuine and so welcoming.
We're like a family towards each other, and just knowing that I have built so many friends within the program who I know have my back and I know I can have their back is something that it's really special.
It's amazing to play Unified basketball.
Unified Sports is more than just a game. It's a celebration of unity, inclusivity, and the incredible power of coming together. It's about creating opportunities for everyone, regardless of ability, to shine, to compete, and to form lasting friendships. When you join or support the Unified Sports community, you become part of something truly special. You help break down barriers, fostering understanding, and build a world where everyone feels valued and included. So whether you're an athlete, a volunteer, or a fan, know that your participation makes a difference. Together, we can continue to champion the spirit of unity and ensure that every individual has the chance to experience the joy and friendship that Unified Sports brings.